guys, kembali lagi di videoku kali ini. Kali ini kita bakal nonton Digital Circus episode ke-8. Yang ini nih. Maaf, ini udah lama bener. Aku baru tahu udah keluar. Ya, ini udah 1 April jam 12, jam 8. Untungnya besok libur. Iya. Jadi kali ini kita nonton Digital Circus ke-8. Ayo kita mulai. Warning. Biasanya nggak ada warning. Bentar, aku perlu matiin dulu ininya. Nah. Ini memorinya Kane ya. Iya, itu tendanya tadi barusan. Ini karakternya atau apa ya? Mungkin adventure-nya ya, aku kurang tahu. Maaf ya. Tadi pagi aku panggil aku. Ini apa ya? Itu kan merah kan? Aku kayaknya tahu itu kan. Hah, biru. Biru apaan? Aku belum pernah tahu ada warna biru. Sekarang kayak ngapain? Ah, pantesan atasnya selalu merah. Ini kenapa sekarang? Bentar, itu tenda Digital Circus bukan sih? Iya dong, bener lah. Aku iklan, sorry. Aku gak ada YouTube Premium. Sorry, aku gak ada YouTube Premium. Oh, scratch.
Another chess piece, huh? How are you
Queenie!
holding up?
I just don't know what's happening. We never made anything like this.
I just hope that...
Wait,
Are you?
it's you.
Oh my god.
I wish I could remember your name.
Same.
Bentar.
I'm.
Di dunia nyata mereka berdua tahu mereka, maksud aku pas di dunia nyata mereka berdua tahu mereka.
I'm so sorry I roped you into this with me.
It's quite strange, isn't it?
Listen, no matter what happens, I'll always.
Ini kenapa jangan bilang?
And into the cellar you go.
Oh.
Golly, we're running out of humans here. Now don't you go abstracting on me too. Seriously.
Oh. Jangan bilang Kinger ya kesendirian lagi. Kita lanjutin dulu sih, aku udah nonton ya Digital Circus, tapi aku nggak pernah recording karena aku pikir itu tuh nggak bakalan worth it, soalnya aku nggak terlalu sampai 30 subscriber, jadi aku agak malu. Tapi kali ini aku udah lebih dari 30. Kali ini aku bakalan bikin video reaksi deh. Jadinya ini kenapa aku bikin video ini.
What?
Regata?
What? Hello? Guys? I can't figure out how to... guys? Hello? Can you help me out here?
Bentar. Kayaknya aku tahu deh. Si Regata datang ke CNA gedung ya, kayaknya itu bersama orang deh. Soalnya tadi aku tak denger dia panggil guys. Yang pasti dia datang sama orang lain. Oke, maaf aku nggak bakalan pause videonya, palingan sampai sampai di selesai musiknya. Aku kelihatan kayak ada musik nih. Aku nggak bakalan berhentiin sampai ada musiknya ini ya. Palingan ada suaraku doang.
What's happening? Can anybody hear me?
I can hear you. Are you okay?
Who are you? How do I take this off?
Aduh, kagetin aja. Maaf, kaget aku lompat dari kursi aku.
Wow! A new one? So it is possible. Looks like you got a new buddy after all, Kinger.
Kinger. Right.
Kayaknya Kinger masih sane deh.
I was hoping new minds could show up. I have to make some more preparations for this amazing breakthrough.
How do I get out of this?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
But everything's gonna be okay. Do you remember your name?
Buset, kakinya banyak banget. Apa kakinya tadi gerak aku ngeliat.
Huh?
You doing okay?
That's a good question.
Well, really hate to say it, guys, but I told
Don't you even! Do not even f***ing begin to say that sentence like you didn't try to keep us all trapped here forever.
Anything could have happened when you press those buttons. It doesn't matter.
It seemed to matter back when you did it. What if you did ruin our one chance at
And
leaving?
what if Abel was secretly evil? What if we all got stranded in the void? What if it wasn't real? So it doesn't matter.
Aku suka bener, Jax.
Never did.
How can you say that like you didn't try to f us all over?
He's right, though.
What? Gangle.
It doesn't matter what could have happened. We could argue about it and hurt each other all day long, but that's not gonna help anybody. I think what we need to do now is to just be there for each other.
She's right. We've all done bad things, but we're also all we've got. I think we need to abandon the idea of leaving.
What do you...
We got our hopes up, and we were let down. I don't know what exactly happened with Kaufmo,
Bentar.
but we can't let that
Kan di
despair
situ yang
consume
paling
us.
lama dan
We should focus on what we have.
dia Pak di
Like you said,
kegelapan. Kenapa
Constantly
nggak-
chasing an
nggak
unattainable
minta
goal
tolong
will
dia
drive
aja
us
gitu?
crazy. Maybe what we have to do now is to just live.
Oh, man. I had dreams and goals. I wanted to be able to leave my mark somewhere in the world. How am I supposed to just abandon that?
You've made a mark in my life.
I know, you're probably right, but it just
Oh my
Really?
god, Zubul nangis.
really sucks.
We're all in this together.
And we'll always be in this together. No matter what.
Hey. That includes you too.
Huh?
Listen, we're not gonna have you wandering off alone somewhere and abstracting or something. You're a pain in the ass, but you're still one of us.
Yang ku dengar sih katanya yang di bagian apa gitu kayak
You think I'm
gitu.
capable of abstracting? You guys worry too much.
Zubul bakal ngomong kata-kata kasar dapat disensor. Jadi aku coba pause
We need a vacation.
Oke. Aku mau
I
Kids
don't
then-
understand, Bubble. They want an exit, they want answers, they want something real. I give them an adventure that covers all of that, and they still hate it? Surely they don't want to actually leave me, right?
No way, Jose. No way, no how.
I do everything for these people. I slave over these adventures for them. I step outside my comfort zone to appeal to them, and they still hate them. I made a program that creates a body perfectly encapsulating their mind files, and they hate those too. I'm starting to get the feeling that they just hate.
Why would they hate you when they could just hate you?
This is why I was
Zubul.
created. This is my
Zubul
function.
lagi Bubble.
They'd rather
Bubble.
abstract than go on your adventures.
That can't be
Bapak-
true. I do everything for
Apakah
them.
Bapak
Don't they
lagi
get that I'm
nge-rage?
trying?
Maybe
Nge-rage
you're
bait?
just genuinely bad at this.
Shut up. No.
Iya mirip
I
benar
fixed
nge-rage
that.
bait.
I can solve any problem. I can solve this one. That's what this is. A big puzzle that I need to solve.
Defective.
Shut up!
Maybe you deserved to be abandoned.
Bentar aku bilang aku gak bakalan pause sampai musik, tapi aku bakal ngomong Bubble lagi nge-rage bait bener ini.
You really were the lesser of the two. You ruined this.
Enough! Who do they think they are? I give them everything, and they spit in my face! Don't they know what I'm capable of? Humans!
Oh my god, bentar. Bentar. Buset. Ini udah pasti paling marah dia orangnya.
Humans! They only think about themselves. They're spoiled. They won't abstract. They won't leave me.
You're an AI! You're an AI!
I'm better. I'm more powerful. I'm the original.
What do you mean about original? Oh no. Oke, itu jumpscare aku. Maaf, itu jumpscare
Let's
aku.
get this show on the road.
Itu yang merah biru lagi tuh. Ampun, iklan lagi. Maaf ya kalau ini banyak benar iklan. Oh, circusnya mulai nge-glitch.
What was that?
Hello, my little fortuitous fruitcakes. Today's adventure is...
Kane, we're not in the mood. Why don't you answer some of our questions? We have a lot of them.
Who has time for questions when there's a whole wacky world of hijinks out there?
Yeah, hey, you have a lot of explaining.
Hey!
Alternatively, I don't got to explain diddly squat.
Can you just give us some time to process everything?
Or how about we skip the melodrama and get right to the fun?
No, Kane. We have a lot on our minds right now, and we're not going on an adventure.
I see. And since when were you in charge?
Aduh, aku takut matanya kayak gitu.
Do you have any idea how much I do for you guys? How much I obsess over trying to make things perfect? How many insults I have to ignore to do my job? You have a lot on your minds? Don't make me laugh. I have a new adventure for you, and you should consider participating.
Oke, aku sekarang takut.
And if we refuse?
Maybe I'm not getting through to you.
Ini kan yang dari trailer. Mungkin ini musik. Oke, di dalam musik aku nggak bakalan pause. Swear, oke?
It's news to me that it's news to you. To which degree, who answers to who? We could go on and on, but in the end, who are we kidding? My divinity is past infinity. Am I getting through? Seems our regime has plummeted south. Don't need to scream if you ain't got a mouth. Why bite the hand that feeds when it's the only hand you're getting? It's time you see that this great marquee is the only place you're ever gonna be. So strap on in and take it on the chin, and don't forget who's running the show. Now look at this. Absolute bliss. Oh, what a shock. Watch where you walk. I'm the host, I run the place. Kane, that is my name. Not enthused, just feeling used. Oh, what a goddamn shame. Congratulations, all of my friends. Public relations are getting a cleanse. Put on your Sunday best because I know we're close to quitting. So play the games and just ignore the pains, cause all that remains is how you prime your brains. Lying to me, but you're too blind to see that I'm the one who's running the show.
Oke, mereka sudah. Oke,
I think we all understand each other now.
semuanya rasanya takut bener. Lah, adventure. Oke.
Welcome back. I can't believe you didn't pick up on the
Bentar. Apaan itu yang dipegang sama Pom nih?
Context clues. It was
What's that?
practically
What do you
spelled
say,
out for you. What are you, stupid? Next one's gonna be even crazier. Hope you're ready. By the way, Kinger, I need you for something. Come with me.
Huh?
Aku lupa kasih tahu karakter aku yang paling aku suka itu Kinger sama Jax. Tapi kalau ada apa-apa yang bikin aku marah terjadi kepada Kinger, aku bakalan agak marah dikit sih. Tapi kalau Kinger kayak jadi tiba-tiba kayak coding, aku bakalan nge-like video ini nih 3 jam. Aku bakalan nge-like ini sama subscribe nanti. Ini horor. Oh, Zubul udah hancur. Itu apaan?
I don't know how many more of these new adventures I can handle. What? Got nothing positive to say about this one?
Oh,
Bentar. Itu Regatta. Kukira kertas yang dibawa Pomnya untuk itu tulis-tulis.
I can't take this anymore. We gotta do something about this or I'm gonna lose my mind.
I never should have antagonized him so much. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
Break time. Got a brainstorm.
Kenapa dengan Kinger? Kenapa?
Some new ideas.
He shredded me.
Oke bang. Itu terlalu ya udahlah.
I think we should get out of the open for a bit.
Oh, itu yang dari trailer aja.
I haven't been up here in a while.
We should just indulge a little while we have the time to. I don't know what Kane has planned next, but I'm guessing it's not anything good.
Ini kemana?
He's gotta get bored of all this sometime, right?
He's not a human. I'm not sure if we can properly gauge how he thinks.
Bentar. Oke, aku kayaknya tahu deh ini dari mana. Bentar, aku buka YouTube lagi dari satu tab. Nah, ini dia. Nah, di sini, seingat aku. Mungkin dari awal.
Welcome.
Aku skip sampai tempat yang aku pengen tahu.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Pomni here is gonna perform something you've never seen before. Don't worry, my dear. You won't even die horribly.
Coba kita lihat compare. Mirip benar, cuy. Mirip benar.
Well, I think we both had something to learn from that experience.
Iya. Kukira itu cuma random doang. Tahu-taunya ini udah itu dapat lagi sini. Ya udah kita lanjutin videonya.
Oh, God. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You know, things were just fine here until you and Zubul came along.
What do you mean?
Nothing. Okay.
Taruh bucketnya ke kepala Kinger.
What are you?
Yay!
Just give it a sec.
What do you mean?
Trust me. Kinger, you there?
I'm where? It's dark in here.
What exactly are we waiting for?
No, she's right. Just give it a bit.
Oke, Jax tidur. Aku ngeliat sekarang.
I've got a bucket on my head. I'm guessing you don't want me to remove it.
Kinger jadi sane.
Kinger.
Hey, Pomni.
Wait, the bucket makes him sane?
Darkness. It's a long story.
What's happening?
What do you know about Kane?
It's a little hazy, but I remember C&A.
That was just an adventure, right?
No, C&A is a real company. I worked for them.
Wait, they really made this game?
Bentar.
No.
Kinger bekerja dengan mereka. Oke, aku nggak bakal nge-pause sampai di mana ya? Kira-kira. Mungkin sampai kartun ini nih, kartun itu tuh.
Oh, we didn't make
Janji.
games. We were just developing artificial intelligence, specifically creative AI. The kind that could come up with its own ideas and create things within the program.
What is going on right now?
Kane was our first semi-successful attempt at that. I can't remember what we originally called him, but he was one of my greatest achievements as a programmer.
Bentar. Oke, kayaknya Kinger nanti nge-program deh. Nanti pas di programnya aku agak itu ya, coba pause dikit gitu ya. Jadi maaf. Dan lanjut ke videonya.
You made Kane?
Partially, yes. I got a few pointers from, I can't remember his real name, but his circus name was Scratch. That man was a genius.
Wait,
Kane was pretty rough around the edges, though. I wasn't quite on Scratch's level of thinking outside the box, but it was good groundwork for something the rest of the team could wrap their heads around. I can't say the same for Scratch. His ideas were often so bizarre and abstract that the rest of the team had no idea how to work in his language, either due to pure brilliance or the tumor in his head. He was trying to make something. What was it? I'm getting off track. Was there anything specific you needed to know?
wait. I should go distract Kane so he doesn't listen in on this. Just fill me in afterwards.
Yeah, that's true, but...
Fill me in later.
Be here later.
I will. Oh my god.
Apakah ini scene Jack?
This is real.
Kane's going a bit crazy right now. Is there any way to stop him? Or at least control him?
I see. He's a highly advanced AI, and this is his world. One that he created from nothing. So naturally, he has control over everything. But so do we. In a sense, anyway. We all technically have the ability to conjure, just like Kane. It just comes naturally to him, but requires a lot more skill and concentration for us.
Butterfly.
I'm certain I could alter his code, or at least temporarily put him to sleep until we know how to fix him. I would just need access to a console.
The one behind Kane's office?
No, just a simple computer interface would work. I could get back into the right headspace and
Tommy, kamu tahu di
essentially
mana?
conjure
Di
Kane's
tempat
code into the
exit
console
door.
and alter it.
Well, where do we get one of those?
I think I know exactly where to get one. Take turns with Jax distracting Kane. Don't let that bucket come off Kinger's head.
I called it.
Great suggestion, Jax. But as I feared, there just isn't anything stuck between my teeth. Oh, wait. Oh, that's where I parked. Haha.
Wow, Kane, you are so funny.
Could you say it with a little more gusto? That's better.
Hey, Kane!
Yep.
Do you want to hear a list of things we've decided we love about you as our God and Savior?
Whoa, now we're talking.
Well, first of all, we love your...
I know, but I'm bored. Let's go bowling.
Ah!
Bentar. Kane bakalan tembak mereka apa? Oh.
I'm so proud of you guys.
Tiba-tiba kalian sadar gak? Ini aku bakalan pelanin nih. Kecepatan pemutaran. Kalian ngeliat gak? Kayaknya pengen
I feel like it's
bikin
missing
foto
something,
apa
right?
itu.
It's missing relatability.
You're right, scrap it.
Sekarang bola.
Let's go back to the drawing board. Humans just aren't a relatable sculpting material.
You think he's running out of ideas yet, or nah?
Do you need help with power or anything?
Nah, I can use my imagination for that.
You got this?
I think so. Sure has been a while. I may need some time to get my bearings. Try to help the others distract
Yes.
Kane while I figure this
King
out. He may
King
sense something when I
coding.
really get into it.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you, by the way. For this and, well, everything.
Honestly, are you even trying?
Shut up, Jax.
Where'd Kane go?
Back to the drawing board, I guess.
Did you get everything working with Kinger?
I think so. We just need to make sure Kane doesn't check up on him.
What do you think we've been doing?
Omni! That's the relatability we've been missing! You know, I thought this endless onslaught of fun would be a little more satisfying. But I've come to realize that these rapid pace ideas are a little half-baked.
I'm sure you can come up with new ideas if you put your mind to it.
That's exactly it, though. I am putting my mind to it, and I'm just not feeling that spark I once did. And if you're not having fun, and I'm not having fun, then who is having fun?
I'm having a baby.
Exactly!
What?
Makes me wonder why you guys even switched up your tone. If I didn't know any better, it seems like you're trying to...
Oh no.
Where's Kinger?
Oh
To see your new ideas firsthand. We've gotten over our hang-ups, and now we're all just genuinely curious what you're cooking up.
I think I'm just gonna check up on...
We think your ideas suck!
Huh?
Huh?
Isn't it obvious? We wanted to bait you into testing your new ideas on us so we can make fun of them behind your back.
Ha! That's not true.
Yes, it is! You're a horrible
Okay.
host! You don't
Okay.
care about us at all! You care more about stroking your own ego than giving us anything we'd actually enjoy!
Do you know who I am?
Yeah, you're a failure!
Oke. Kayak gitu gak apa-apa. Terus ngomong failure, oh itu kayak apa dah.
We're all gonna abstract someday, and what will you have then? Nothing.
Stop that.
And this whole stunt? Just torturing us because we hurt your feelings? Pathetic! You're like a child! What kind of all-powerful being has such a fragile ego?
I'm...
You never let us feel like we're at home. You don't comfort anyone when they're upset, and you never bother to understand what it's like in our shoes.
You discourage us from thinking outside the box and doing things our own way.
You lie to us constantly!
And on top of it all, you just don't listen!
Kane dengan berapa tuh? 8 tangan dan 2 kaki. Dan kayak 1000 mata.
I'm gonna put you freaks in your place!
Gamigu! Oh no, itu bukan Gamigu. Itu mamanya Ragata ya. Ya, itu mirip bener. Yes. Bentar, hah? System King Solution 2.0 Digital Circus Mainframe. Oh, date-nya 1996 10/30. Jadi bulan 10 tanggal 30. Host Digital Circus. Loginnya Kinger. Passwordnya Queenie. Istrinya si Kinger. Ini enggak ini buruknya. Oh. Ini buruknya Google. Bentar. Itu kayak pom nih, ada ininya. Ini ribet soalnya ada yang kayak gitunya, dan itu Cosmo karena itu kayak ada topinya kayak Cosmo. Oh hell, nah itu gak isinya si Jax. Kane. Ragata datangnya di 2008. Bubble work. Kinger lagi coding, aku suka yang codingan. Bentar. Ini nama aslinya Kinger ya? Soalnya ini kayak aku baca ini tiba-tiba kayak oke, ini kayaknya nama asli Kinger. G-A Wait. Kalau kita mau delete kayak gituan AI gitu yang udah banyak data yang udah ganti, harusnya kayak ada are you sure gitu. Tapi ini langsung deleting. Itunya aja sampai itu loh error. Kayaknya baik-baik aja.
Wait.
Oh, kena delete juga dia. Aku kira nggak kena delete. Semuanya coding apa? Woi, komputer lah hampir sih. Oh, nah. Gue jatuh duluan. Ya, teleportnya Kinger. Kane udah kena delete. Playernya masih di dalam. Kemana mereka mau keluar? Mungkin bagian ini yang swear part.
I think I accidentally killed Kane.
Holy shit.
Oh no. Aku udah tahu itu tuh. Aku udah tahu dia ngomong apa. Aku skip dikit deh.
Holy shit.
Bikin gue aja kaget. Udah selesai. Gak ada ribet. Bentar, siapa yang itu tuh? Si Kinger. Bentar. Kinger. Buset, ini ada kredit akhir gak? Ada. Ya tuh, lihat aja. Amazing it Grand Finale, oke. June 19, 2026. Oke. Kita bakalan akhiri dulu video kali ini sampai di sini. Kalau kalian suka, jangan lupa like aja ya. Aku nggak bakal minta subscribe, aku minta like aja. Soalnya jarang orang nge-like. Well, stay tuned. Bye bye.